crafty peeps, thanks so much for being here. My name is Tegan and I'm a crochet pattern designer and tech editor who makes beginner friendly tutorials, helpful tips and silly crafty content. If you happen to enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment or subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram for even more crazy crafty content. In today's video I am going to show you how to change colour in your project. So this is going from one row to another, and you can also use the same as you're going across your rows. So this is my blanket, this is one of my panels. What I'm doing here is I'm doing a double crochet all the way across. There will be a tutorial for this one very soon. So let me just jump straight into how you can change colours. So first we're going to start our double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now normally, because this is the last step, we would yarn over and pull through and finish the stitch. But instead of doing that with the current colour, we're going to grab the next colour, which happens to be this extremely bright yellow. I'm going to put a loop over the hook and pull that through instead. And then what I normally do is I grab my 2 ends and I just do a simple knot, chain 2 and turn to continue. And then all you'll have to do is just weave in these ends here. And that's it. That's how you change colours. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment or subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram. Happy crafting!